Hello my lovelies and welcome back once again to Lauren Levels Up. If you are new here today, then a very warm welcome to you too. Today I have for you a lip tutorial where I'm basically just going to be addressing how to go about making a smaller mouth look a little bit bigger, how to make thinner lips look a little bit more voluminous, and how to address any imbalances in the lip shape as well. And this is basically just something that the technique that I like to use on myself and also on my clients when I'm working, just because I'm personally not into the very voluminous look that lip fillers can give. So this is just a slightly more subtle version of that, and obviously pain-free as well. So if you're anything like me and you would prefer to do things purely through makeup and the pain-free way, then this video might just be for you, and please keep watching.
So starting off, just to show you the natural shape of my own lips, you can see that there is a slight imbalance there between the top and bottom lip size, and also just slightly between the two sides of my Cupid's bow as well. So the first thing that we want to do is create the right surface on our lips to hold all of those products. So we want to create a smooth and hydrated surface that's free of any dead skin cells. So here I'm just exfoliating my lips using a clean toothbrush that's been dampened with warm water. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some lip balm. This is just Vaseline. And normally I would apply this before I do my makeup, and then by the time I'm finished and I get to my lips, it will have sunk in. But obviously today I need to work a little bit quicker to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I am just going to take a little bit of tissue just to basically blot away the excess so that we've got the right surface to start applying our product. The first of which is a neutral to cool toned lip liner, and it's important that you choose this colour as it's going to provide the best mimicking of natural shadow, and do make sure that that lip liner is nice and sharp when you start. And the first thing that we're going to do basically is to outline the shape of our natural lip line. So just follow your own lip line. Don't worry about overlining at this stage. We will come to that, but for now just follow the natural shape with the lip liner, and all this is going to do is make sure that there is the right texture between the overline and your own lip skin. So here you can just see me doing that top and bottom, following the natural shape of my own lips. Now this is the part where we're going to overline slightly, and when I say slightly, I mean very slightly, for the most natural effect. So just a millimetre or so over the top of the natural lip line, and I'm also going to balance out the shape where I need to. So for example here you can see at the top there that I have balanced out the two sides of my Cupid's bow so that they're both at the same level. And then the other thing I would say is that it's really important to do the majority, if not all, of your overlining towards the centre of your lips. So you can see that I've overlined my Cupid's bow and just underneath the lower lip line. But when it comes to those inner corners, the corners of my lips I should say, I've stuck to the natural lip line. The next step is to create a little bit of contouring to the lips. So what I'm basically going to do is just apply that lip liner to all four outer corners of the lips, drag it very slightly into the centre of the lip shape. And I'm just going to do that both top and bottom, as you can see me doing here. And all it's going to do is again just mimic the natural shadow of a fuller lip shape. So the natural curvature. We're trying to mimic the natural curvature that would occur in a much fuller lip shape naturally. And then the other thing you can do, this is optional, but if you just pop a line down the centre of both lips, this also helps to mimic that natural shape and contour that fuller lips would naturally have. Moving on to lipstick. I prefer to use a nude shade whenever I'm doing a very full lip look like this. So this is just Toast from Primark, and I'm basically using this all over my lips. I'm really not anything special when it comes to the application of the lipstick, apart from make sure to cover up the line of the lip liner that you did. Do not extend it any further than that, but just make sure that you cover it up, because we want the look to look completely seamless and like there's no start and stop between where the lipstick and the lip liner finishes. So I'm just taking that all over the lip surface, and then afterwards I'll just go over everything with my finger just to pat it in and make sure everything is nice and blended. And then finally, I'll just go back in with the lip liner just to tidy up any areas that might need it, make everything look nice and sharp. So you can see here with the finished look that my lips are looking far fuller and also much more balanced. I really hope that you found this useful today. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Next week I have for you a full face get ready with me, as it is my birthday weekend this weekend, which I'm very much looking forward to, and I have no doubt that this lip tutorial that I have just shown you the technique for will feature in that. So for now, I hope you are all doing really well, and I hope to see you very soon in my next video next Wednesday.